nad surgivad meie.
Kuule peab vält nii kõvasti, et kõik kuulevad. Üks kolm.
Private jets, polish.
I look up to the sky and now the world is mine. I've known it all my life. I made it, I made it. I used to dream about the life I'm living now. I know that there's no doubt. I made it, I made it. Known from the city, no one believed in me, but I never gave up the fight. Yeah, but now I'm on top. I told you to let it rock. Now money's falling from the sky. I made it. I look up to the sky, and now the world is mine. I've known it all my life. I made it, I made it. I used to dream about the life I'm living now. I know that there's no doubt.
Swagged out, 100. Rooftop, hella chopper, burn the smoke. Louis bags, stay strapped with a priceless glow. High life, flipping and get some more. Paradise, the luxury marble flow. When I hit me full of that cash. More money than I seen in the garbage can. Stunner Island, money and the power. That's how we do it, make it rain, make it shower. Top flow, big time, doing big things. Over city view, ball short a new range. Flip another 100, popping throwing hundreds in a new Bentley. Uptown stunner.
I look up to the sky, and now the world is mine. I've known it all my life. I made it, I made it. I used to dream about the life I'm living now. I know that there's no doubt. I made it, I made it. I made it. I made it.
Yo, hey, listen. See, I don't live for glamour, I don't care for fame. I'm in this for the love of the game. Funny how things can change. They didn't believe in me, then now they calling my name. Now look who's passion. They didn't wanna know me back then, but ever since I done gone platinum, everything turned around and now the sky is falling down. Down and all the world is mine.
I made it. I used to dream about the life I'm living now. I know that there's no doubt. I made it. I made it.
Is this thing on? I thought this sounds this game. Power to the people. We living in that 31st century, futuristic fly shit. The penthouse is the projects and everybody flies private. New watch, you know the time it is. Watch it. They can't stop us, the prophets beyond shit. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. Rumble, young man, rumble. Life's a trip, so sometimes we gon' stumble. You gotta go through pain in order to become you. But once the world knows you, you'll feel like it's only one you. Now you got the power to do anything you want to. Until you ask yourself, is this what it's all come to? Looking at life through sunglasses in the summer. But do you have the power to get out from up under? Fuck all these labels, fuck what everybody wants from me. They tryna ask who rose you. Welcome to the jungle. To be continued. We on that Norman Miller shit, in search of the truth, even if it goes through Taylor Swift. Tell her this: no one man should have all that power. Now when I walk in, everybody do the power clap. Clap, clap, clap. Fresh for the club, I just took a half an hour nap. Clap, clap, clap. I see people go crazy when the whole world in our lap. Clap, clap, clap. My socket was out the plug, now it's time to get the power back. Clap, clap,
I seen people abuse power, use power, misusing and lose power. Power to the people at last. It's a new hour. Now we all ain't gonna be American Idols, but you can at least grab a camera, shoot a viral, huh? Take the power in your own hands. I'm a grown man, doing my grown dance. I don't stop until I see the end. My vision clear, bitch. I'm on my Van Gogh. I don't hear shit. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the